continue to pass out the beat. You know, what we have in this country is stolen land and hoarded resources. That's what we have.
Some napkins?
Okay, are you ready to rip? Okay, on the count of 3, girls, let's raise our legs. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, very good. You know, and when it comes to the continued racial discrimination in this country, when it comes to being in a state that spends more on prisons than it does on education, something is really wrong with this picture. It's an absolute farce. And quite frankly, this whole thing reminds me of the Hunger Games. Except for the sad thing is this is the real Hunger Games.
Who should be the nominee?
Huh?
Who should be the nominee?
The nominee for the Democratic Party should have been Bernie Sanders. That's who it should have been. We all watched it. We all watched it around not the country, the world.